In this Tastygo project, there is no any authentication login with Google. So I add Google login authentication. Now you can see what I did. After login, there is another vulnerability in there, which is no login attempt. That means user can send any time that incorrect logins, invalid logins. Then I add a validation that a user can log in only for that only 10 times within 15 minutes for a particular IP address. So in this you can see when a user enter invalid username password 10 times, it shows too many login attempts from this IP and try again after 15 minutes. After that, if we input our correct username password, it show the error.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you two critical vulnerabilities I found in the audit service of our food delivery application. First, let's look at the endpoint to get an order by its ID. The enforcement and sending the request rate by orders with the order ID without logging in or providing any token. As you can see, the application still returns the full order details, including order information and other payment details. This means that if someone knows or guesses an ID, they can access other users' orders. That's called an ID or vulnerability. Now let's check another serious issue. Here is the endpoint API order ID status. I'm going to send a request to mark this order as paid. Notice that I'm not logged in and I'm not sending any authentication token. The application still accepts the request and update the payment status. This allows anyone to mark unpaid orders as paid, which is a major security risk. To fix these vulnerabilities, we added proper authentication and authorization checks. For put, we added token verification and restricted access for only payment service, but admin can update the status. For get, now only the owner of the order or an admin can view the details. By enforcing authentication and robust checks, we prevent unauthorized access and protect sensitive user data.
First, we take the user ID from the request, that's the ID of the logged in customer. Then we check if that ID is a valid MongoDB object ID using isValid object ID. If it's not valid, maybe it's empty, malformed, or not a real object ID. We stop right there and return a 400 bad request response with the message invalid user ID. This is a security step. It prevents our server from running a database query with a broken or malicious ID, which could cause errors or expose vulnerabilities. Previous code uses Multi in a basic way. It saves the uploaded file into the uploads folder, gives it a unique name, and checks the file type only by looking at its MIME type. This works, but it's not very secure. An attacker could rename a malicious file to look like a .jpg or .pdf and still upload it. In the second version, the code is more secure and robust. It first makes sure the uploads folder exists, creating it if necessary. Then, before saving the file, it not only checks the MIME type but also reads the actual file content and uses the file type library to verify that the file really is a JPG, PNG, or PDF. It even compares the MIME type with the detected content to make sure they match. This extra validation prevents attackers from uploading dangerous files disguised as images or PDFs.
My first vulnerability is to fix the anti-clicking header vulnerability that been detected by uh, software SAP. And as you can see here, this is the prefix report generated by SAP software. And in order to uh, fix the header issue, this code snippet is inserted into a API gateway in the backend of the project. And after that code snippet insertion, this is the post-fixed report of the SAP software. So this is the my second vulnerability. It is to fix the cross-domain misconfiguration that is being detected by the software. This is the prefix report provided by the software. And this is this code snippet in order to fix that vulnerability. In the allowed origins, I entered a sample placeholder localhost address, and then after that, running that code snippet, if I attack here, that vulnerability will be not being picked up by the software.